Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel grade formula. First, organize your spreadsheet with columns for student names, assignment names, and possible points. Then, enter each student's earned points for every assignment. You can easily sum these points using the SUM function. This foundational setup ensures accurate tracking and prepares you for more complex calculations. We'll cover everything you need to build a robust grading system. Now, let's tackle weighted averages, which are crucial for many grading schemes. Assign a percentage weight to each category, like 25% for homework and 50% for exams. Use the SumProduct function to multiply each score by its corresponding weight and then sum the results. For example, SumProduct, scores range, weights range. Always double-check that your category weights add up to 100% to avoid errors in your final grade calculations. Moving on to more advanced techniques, IF statements are powerful for conditional grading, such as giving bonus points if a score is above 90. The round function helps you present clean, readable grades by specifying the number of decimal places. For instance, round, value 2. For automatically assigning letter grades, VLOOKUP is your best friend. Create a lookup table with score ranges and their corresponding letter grades, letting Excel do the work. To finalize your Excel gradebook, consider protecting your sheets to prevent accidental changes to formulas or data. This is especially useful when sharing the file. Always remember to regularly back up your gradebook file. Saving it to a cloud service or external drive can prevent significant headaches. For more learning and reading on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. A well-maintained gradebook makes reporting grades much smoother.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.